Also hurts.
Yeah. This sort of hurts. This definitely hurts.
Yeah, can you? Yeah.
I mean, the range of motion is definitely different.
Yes, motion is different.
Yes. And also, I find on this side, the lower back is quite, the curvature is exaggerated on this side versus this side. And also, I mean, if I were to take my shirt off, you would see the trapezius here is quite different from this side and so on and so forth.
Small, small, small. Just do it. When I press, it hurts. It will happen. When I remove, he will be okay. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, hold your elbows, press here, look here, okay, relax, inhale, exhale. Good. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, nice. Good. Relax. And relax your body. Good. You never made session
No.
with chiropractor before? Wow, it's the first time? Oh.
What was that?
This will make your blood circulation.
Yeah, but
Hey.
there was a crack. What was cracking?
Yeah.
What cracked?
What crack?
Yeah.
Nothing. Okay. Make like this. This one. Put your ear. The ear. Put your ear. Relax. 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 This part is very stiff. Yeah. That's why you have.
I know weight shifter.
Oh, that's why. Relax. Relax. You need some stretching, right? Yoga. With weightlifting and yoga, when you mix it, amazing body.
I have been teaching yoga for 13 years
Wow, where?
in the United States.
You are yoga teacher. Wow, great.
I'm the director of the yoga training program in the US.
Wow, great. I was in Europe before 1 year.
Okay.
I lived there 4 years. And
Where
I
in
was yoga teacher also.
Where in Europe?
Georgia,
Okay.
near Russia.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful place.
Yes, I heard this.
So please move your shoulder now. I want to see, check. And check your pain.
Okay.
Better?
No, perfect, but better.
Okay.
No.
So how many days you stay here?
I will be here tomorrow until the afternoon, and then I will return on Sunday, I believe.
So you can take 1 or 2 sessions
Okay.
if you feel better.
Okay.
Okay? Because I think we need some session.
Okay.
Sometimes it's happened in just 1 session.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely feels better now.
It's good.
Still, there's certainly underlying muscular problems as well.
Check your this pain when you
Yeah.
have.
It's still there, yeah. It's, I mean, you can feel it. Put your hand here. If I lift my arm,
Yeah.
it pops.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Relax. Now check this.
Still there.
You have one problem, that your stomach is not proper.